In front of a narrow street, a glass facade breaks the urban monotony, a three-story house, only 5.3 meters wide, glowing at night like a sculpture of light. The narrow house is located in Bilzen, Belgium, near the Dutch border. Post-war brick houses dominate the neighborhood with their restrained facades and modest volumes. In contrast, this work stands out for its bold geometry while still respecting the local scale. Next to the ground floor entrance is the garage. Above it, transparent glass covers the upper two floors, revealing two tilted cantilevered terraces, one leading to a reading corner connected to the library, and the other serving the artist's studio on the third floor. The flat facade contrasts with the asymmetrical angles of the terraces. Despite its narrow width, the interior receives generous light. The ceiling geometry is carved, and walls are sliced or partially removed to maximize brightness. Small geometric windows and skylights bring natural light even to rooms that don't face the street. Clean white walls contrast with shifting light, shadow, and angled volumes. Transparency, recesses, and projections create a rhythmic visual composition. Glass dominates the upper floors, offering transparency and a visual connection to the street. The terraces provide views of the street while being protected by the structure of the house. Although glass enhances visibility, there is balance. Spaces such as the library or studio enjoy partial visual privacy. The facade layers wall, terrace, and glass keep quieter areas distanced from the street's noise. Every detail, the facade lines, window frames, and tilted terraces contributes to an atmosphere that changes throughout the day. At dawn, soft light filters through elevated windows. At noon, glass reflects the sky and white surfaces. By sunset, shadows of angled volumes stretch dramatically. Artificial lighting then enhances the textures and shapes as night falls. Colored lights transform the facade into a spectacle. The house becomes a luminous sculpture. The narrow house is more than a narrow dwelling. It is an architectural expression that blends transparency, sculptural form, light, and lightness. A statement of presence amid the ordinary, a house meant both to be contemplated and to shelter quiet, elegant, and daring.